Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Quality Machine Tools Corporation. My name is Sandeep Singh. I hope all of you guys are doing great. Today is a weekly off here in Batala city. There is a power cut on Tuesdays. So we are actually working on Sundays, but on Tuesday we are off. I just came in the office for some paperwork and I was now sitting idle and just thought of making a video for all you guys. We have 5 or 6 numbers of different machines ready stock available right now with us. The inspection of some of the machines has already been done, but we are waiting for inspectors in the coming week or probably this week for some of the machines. So these machines include, one is the heavy duty slotting machine, one is the 14 feet heavy duty planer type bed lathe machine, one is 6 feet medium duty all gate lathe machine. We have ready available hacksaw machines and 2 shaping machines 24 inch with some automations in it. One is conventional shaping machine of 13 stroke, one pipe bending machine we have ready in stock right now with us. So without wasting any time, let me get you guys straight to the machines, and this video will be very short and quick. I don't want to waste your time because I do respect time. So let's go, and I request you to please subscribe our channel if you guys haven't done yet, because this is the only medium of direct contact between you and us. So please subscribe guys, thank you. So friends, let's start with this 6 feet medium duty all gate lathe machine. This is very good for the precision job works, and machine is ready along with the electricals and electric panel. I will provide the link for all these machines, individual links, in the I button above. So if we come on this side of this machine, this is the extra heavy duty slotting machine. This machine is equipped with the auto rotary table and already fitted electric panel and electric motor. This is extra heavy duty 16-inch stroke slotting machine. This is our third machine which is almost ready right now. This is a 14 feet extra heavy duty lathe machine. The main specifications of this machine is the bed width of this machine is 24 inches and the height of center is 22 inches. Along with this machine we have provided this digital readout system, and also we will provide one tool post grinder, keyway cutting attachment, and also the taper turning attachment is attached in this machine. The customer has ordered all these accessories, so that's why we have made the machine accordingly. This is extra heavy duty model. This is our 30-inch stroke heavy duty shaping machine. This is the 24-inch stroke heavy duty all gate type shaping machine. This was the cone pulley type and this is the all gate type. Along with this machine we will have provided the auto tool feed to tool post and the automatic tool lifting attachment as well. There are 3 of these machines ready stock right now with us. One is this and third one is this machine. These machines has already been inspected last week. So now if we come to this side of this machine, this is the hydraulic power hacksaw machine. The cutting capacity of this machine is 12 inches. I'll try to make individual videos of these machines as well, but we already have some of the videos on the YouTube, and you will get the link in the I buttons above. So these are the 4 hydraulic power hacksaw machines. Come. We are already making one heavy duty radial drilling machine. I'll get you the video of the same machine as well. These are the 2 hydraulic power packs for that machine especially. Come. So this is the last machine we have ready with us today, and this is the pipe bending machine. You can easily bend a pipe of 2 inches on this machine, and this machine is equipped with the hydraulic system. This is the small planer machine, and this machine is being used for educational purposes in the ITI or the engineering colleges. So that's all for today guys. I hope all of you guys found this video informative, and I do again request you to please subscribe our channel if you guys have not done yet. Thank you and take care guys.